Okay guys, so in today's video I'll be teaching us how to use overlay on Capcut. So in order for me to achieve that, first of all I need to come over to my Capcut app. So if you've not downloaded Capcut, kindly go and download it. So at this point it has brought me to this interface where you can see new video. In your own it might be new project, so if you're seeing new project, don't worry, go ahead and click on new project. So for me, I'll go ahead and click on new video. I have clicked on new video and it has brought me to the videos I already have in my gallery. All I will do at this point is for me to go ahead and choose a specific video of my choice. So at this point, let's just assume this is the video I want to work with. I've gone ahead to click on it. I will click on add. You understand? So because this video is for YouTube, first thing I'll have to do is for me to change the aspect ratio. So to change the aspect ratio, I'll first of all look at this interface like below here. So I'll scroll like this to the left, and as I'm scrolling I am looking forward to clicking on aspect ratio. So I've seen my aspect ratio, I've gone ahead to click on it, and at this point I'll go ahead and choose 16:9 because it's a YouTube video. I've clicked on 16:9. I'll click on that good sign there. So after doing that, what I will do next is for me to add my overlay. So because I want to add my overlay, all I will do is for me to look at this space here. Is for me to look at this space. You understand? So at this point I'll go ahead and scroll. You understand? So here we have edit, here we have audio, we have text, we have effects and overlay. I'll go ahead and click on overlay. As I have clicked on overlay, it is telling me add overlay. It is telling me add overlay. I'll go ahead and click on overlay. Now it has brought me to this interface. Now you need to look up here. If you look up here, you see that my videos are highlighted. This is why you're seeing just videos in my gallery now. Now if you look up here, you see photos, images. So all I will do is for me to click on photos because I want to bring in either my YouTube banner or my YouTube logo to Capcut. Now let's assume this is my YouTube banner or my YouTube logo. Let's assume this one is my YouTube logo. I'll just go ahead and click on it. After clicking on it, I'll click on add. So I have clicked on add, and you see how this image is big. I want to reduce the size because I just want to add the logo. Let's assume it is my logo. I want to add it at the top right hand side or at the top left hand side of my video. Now if you look at this logo, this is our logo, it is highlighted. So because it is highlighted, this is why you're seeing all of this. You understand? So I'll go ahead and drag it like this. You understand? So you may want to drag it very big, you may want to turn it, drag it to the size you want, then use your hand to take it to the point you want it to be. You understand? So when dragging it, you need to ensure that it is straight. Just ensure that it is straight. You can use both fingers to drag it. Now for you to achieve this dragging, ensure that the image is highlighted. Like right now, this image is not highlighted. This is why I cannot drag it. So you have to first of all click on the image. Once you click on the image, it will highlight like this. Now as it has highlighted, I don't know if you've noticed these icons are here. So I can use this icon to adjust it the way I want it. I can use my both hands to adjust it. I can take it to the right, I can take it to the left, I can bring it here, I can bring it here, any space of my choice. So this is it. This is how to add it. Now in a situation where you want to drag it to the end of your video, just ensure that the logo or the banner is highlighted. Once it is highlighted, you scroll like this, you hold it like this, hold it like this. You understand? So if you check, it is everywhere. The logo is now everywhere. If you want to shorten it, you can as well drag it backward like this. You understand? So you can see it is here, but it is not in this part of the video. So this is it. This is how to use overlay. This is how to bring in your logo and your banner to Capcut. So I believe this video was useful. If it was, kindly like, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.